Ireland closes schools as rare hurricane approaches. Ireland has ordered all schools to close Monday as the country braces for an unprecedented storm with the arrival of Ophelia, the largest hurricane ever recorded so far east in the Atlantic. In response to the imminent storm Ophelia, the Department of Education and Skills is now publicly informing all schools, colleges and other education institutions that they are to remain closed tomorrow, Monday the 16th of October, the department said in a statement. The decision followed discussions with the government's emergency planning task force and advised on the unprecedented storm from Ireland's Met Office. The National Weather Office issued a status red alert and warned of potential risk to lives when the storm hits daytime on Monday. Although Ophelia will weaken as the storm travels over cooler sea waters towards the west coast of Ireland, the Met Office warned of violent and destructive gusts of winds, heavy rains and storm surge that are expected to lead to flooding. An amber wind warning has been issued for Northern Ireland because wind gusts could reach up to 130 kilometers or 80 miles per hour. Ophelia will be bringing some significant impacts to Northern Ireland and Western and Northern Britain on Monday and Tuesday. Scotland, Wales and parts of England were on the yellow warnings issued by the Met Office, which forecast very strong winds and heavy rains in some areas. There has been disruptions in travel. Prime Minister Leo Varadkar said on Sunday that the defense forces were being deployed to areas due to be hit by the storm. Ophelia is the 15th named storm of the 2017 Atlantic season, which is expected to last until the end of November. Three major hurricanes, Harvey, Irma and Maria, caused catastrophic damage in the Caribbean and the US Gulf Coast. Meteorologists say Ophelia is the most powerful hurricane recorded so far east in the Atlantic and the first since 1939 to travel so far north. It was class category 3 on Saturday as it passed near Portugal's Azores Islands, which means it packed winds of at least 178 kilometers or 110 miles per hour. When Ophelia reaches Ireland on Monday, it is expected to weaken to a post-tropical storm, according to the US National Hurricane Center. Mean wind speed in excess of 80 kilometers or 50 miles per hour and gusts in excess of 130 kilometers per hour or 80 miles are expected, potentially causing structural damage and disruption with dangerous marine conditions due to high seas and potential flooding, it said. Flights, ferries and buses all face disruption. Cork Airport in Southwest Ireland said cancellations are likely and urged passengers to check with their airlines in advance of travel. Sea warning. Matt Croft, a life-saving manager with the Royal National Lifeboat Institution, said the seas could be particularly dangerous and unpredictable. So it is not the first time that a tropical system would have ventured that far north, but it has not occurred in almost 8 years. The last time was 1939. I mean, there are a lot of doubters as it relates to global warming and the effects of climate change. I suppose this is another timely reminder, so Mr. Donald Trump and his friends them can take a look. Hopefully the system would have dissipated before it made landfall and there will be no loss of lives. Talk to you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.